I'll say strategy is a commodity, execution is an art, right? So most bringing up the social media thing, I think it's just about consistency. Be, be on every platform. Who cares? Like figure it out, and then figure out what platform is rewarding you the most, right? And then focus your time on that platform. I think most people just aren't consistent, and I do see a thread where it's, hey, I need to raise capital to be consistent, which I don't understand that. Like, or I need to raise to do this. It's like, what can you do with what you have? Um, and in terms of raising capital, it's more about milestones it to accomplish. So I think it's better to kind of figure out that idea, and start generating some customers and some revenue, right? Because you never know, you might not want to do it when you get a customer. It could be like, hey, this is just a hobby, that you know. So I think it's just staying consistent is the main thing.